Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect fried eggs recipe that's not only quick and easy, but also absolutely packed with flavor. If you've ever struggled with boring fried eggs or wondered how to get that golden, crispy bottom with a soft, runny yolk, you're in the right place. This fried eggs recipe takes things up a notch with a few simple ingredients and a couple of secret touches that will make your breakfast unforgettable. Whether you're in a rush on a busy morning or craving a late-night snack, this method guarantees delicious results every time. So, grab your eggs and let's get started. Alright, here's everything you'll need for this fried eggs recipe. 2 fresh eggs, a little cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, a pinch of salt, chili flakes for a bit of heat, sriracha sauce for a spicy kick, a dash of Worcestershire sauce for depth of flavor. That's it. Simple, right? But trust me, when these ingredients come together, they create the most satisfying fried eggs you've ever tasted. Let's move on to the step-by-step method. I'll walk you through exactly how to cook your eggs so they're perfectly crispy on the bottom while staying tender and runny on top. Step 1. Preheat your pan. Start by placing a non-stick or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Allow it to get nice and hot before adding any oil. This step is important because a hot pan helps prevent the eggs from sticking and ensures you get that beautiful, crispy texture. Step 2. Add oil and butter. Once your pan is hot, drizzle in a little cooking oil. Then, add about a tablespoon of butter. The oil keeps the butter from burning while the butter adds richness and flavor to the fried eggs. You'll see the butter start to foam a little, which means it's time to crack your eggs. Step 3. Crack the eggs. Carefully crack 2 eggs into the pan. If you want perfectly shaped eggs, you can crack them into a small bowl first and gently slide them into the skillet. Step 4. Lower the heat. Once the eggs are in, reduce the heat to low. This helps the whites set slowly while keeping the yolks beautifully runny. Slow cooking is the secret to tender egg whites without overcooking the yolk. Step 5. Season and add flavor. Sprinkle a pinch of salt over the eggs to enhance the flavor. Then, add some chili flakes for a touch of heat. If you love a little spice in your breakfast, this is a must. Next, drizzle a little sriracha sauce over the eggs for extra kick and color. And finally, add a dash of Worcestershire sauce. This ingredient might surprise you, but it adds a deep, savory note that makes this fried eggs recipe truly unique. Step 6. Watch for crispy edges. Let the eggs cook until the edges become golden and crispy. You'll know they're ready when the bottoms are firm and the yolks are still slightly wobbly. Depending on your stove, this should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Step 7. Serve and enjoy. Once the eggs are cooked to your liking, carefully slide them out of the pan using a spatula. Serve them immediately over toasted bread for a simple yet satisfying meal. So, what makes this fried eggs recipe so special? It's all about the little details. The butter and oil combination gives the eggs a golden, crispy edge while keeping the centers tender. Sriracha and Worcestershire sauce create a delicious balance of spicy and savory flavors you don't usually get in traditional fried eggs. Slow cooking over low heat ensures your yolks stay perfectly runny, which is ideal for dipping toast. This recipe is a fantastic way to elevate a classic breakfast staple and show off your cooking skills with minimal effort.